Okay, students, now we will know about the past perfect tense. For past perfect tense, our rule to write is use had with the past participle form of the verb. Had with the past participle form of the verb. So, suppose had broken, had drunk, had slept, had left. So these are the past participle form of the verb. So it's very easy to remember past perfect because we only have had in present. We had has and have. Based on the singular subject, we used has. Based on the plural subject, we used have. But here had will be used for each case. Like maybe it is a singular subject, maybe it is a plural subject. You will be using had plus the past participle form of the verb. Why we use past perfect tense? It is used to show an action that happened before a certain time in the past or before another action had happened. Before another action happened, when an action happened, in such actions we say that past perfect tense can be used. It shows an action happened before a certain time in the past or before another action happened. It expresses two actions which happened in the past. The action that happened first, is put in the past perfect and the other or the latter action is put in the past simple. Two activities we are referring because we see that one action has happened and another action has happened before a certain time. So the first action that happened is put in the past perfect. The latter action is put in the simple past. Example we'll see to get more clarity in this. I called at Sarita's house last evening, but she had gone shopping. I called at Sarita's house. Okay, miss, I called Sarita now. When I'm talking to Sarita, she had already gone, miss, the action has already took before I called. My action is also past action. I called at some point of time. But before that, Sarita has already gone for shopping. So, called is the simple past we are using. And she had gone shopping is the past perfect tense. Clear? She had gone shopping is the first action. The next or the latter action is called. So, this will be simple past. This will be in the past perfect tense. Is it clear? Next. He went to bed after his friend had left. So here also, he went to bed. Went to bed when the latter action. Okay. Before that, what happened? His friend had left. So this is past perfect tense. And he went to sleep after his friend went. So that's the latter action. That will be in simple past. So you can see in these sentences, two activities are taking place at a time. Expresses two actions, okay, in the past. They said, again, this is simple past. Sujit had gone. Sujit had gone to the park. The speaker sat down after he had spoken. The speaker sat down after he had spoken means he went for telling to say something or he was giving a speech. After giving a speech, he sat down. So sat is simple past. Before that, what did he do? He had given a speech. He had spoken something. So had spoken. That is a past perfect tense. She had done all her work before I came to help her. So suppose one of the friend needed his friend's help to complete a project work, but when the friend arrived and saw that her friend has already completed the work, so he had completed, he had finished, he had done, so he had completed already before the friend arrived. So this is a came will be simple past and your had done will be the past perfect tense. In this way, we use past perfect tense. In past perfect tense, we need to remember for plural or some singular subject, we will always use had with the past participle form of the verb. What we need to check when to use past perfect tense? When we find that two actions happened before a certain time in the past or before another past action happened. So two actions will be happening in the past, but there will be a time gap. One action will be taking place before and the other one will be taking later. So the action that will take place before will use the past perfect, whereas the action that will take later will use the past simple. And these will be interlinked. interlinked to show a statement. Clear? This is what we need to remember while doing the past perfect tense. Clear, everyone? Great.